Yo, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to Pop That Box. My name is Mike, and today I have a Chalice mystery box for you. Did I get a Grail? We'll find out after the intro. Welcome back, YouTube. So before we start, you like and subscribe. It will help the channel out a lot, and I would really appreciate it. Now let's move along to this unboxing. Alright, YouTube, so here are the 5 mystery boxes from Chalice. These boxes are from the Labor Day weekend sale, and let's find out if I got a Grail. Here's the first pop. Jason Voorhees, number 361. He's from the Friday the 13th series. This is the pop movies. There are numerous Friday the 13th movies out there, and so check it out if you're into scary movies. And here's Jason out of the box. Jason, he's wearing his iconic goalie hockey mask. He's wearing a mechanic's jumpsuit, and he's holding a bloody cleaver. Probably just got back from murdering somebody. I'm not sure which movie this Jason comes from, but this pop looks dope, and I've been wanting to start a horror collection, so this may be the beginning. And finally, this pop is a Hot Topic exclusive, but this one has a special sticker on it. So enjoy the pop out of the box. Is there a Grail in the second one? All for One, number 647. He's from the animated series My Hero Academia. And his quirks? Well, he has many because you can take them from other people. They don't know exactly which quirks or how many he has. That's why he's the ultimate villain. This pop is a Fugitive Toys exclusive. I've been planning to order this from Fugitive Toys, so I guess I don't have to get it anymore. And here he is, out of the box. He was mortally injured by All Might. That's why he has his mask and the tubes. The tubes help him breathe, and he has no vision. So he uses a quirk that gives him infrared vision. And in this scene, he's wearing his business suit, and he has his mutant arm out. And the battle scene with All Might is epic. So if you haven't seen it, you should watch My Hero Academia. Let's move along to the third mystery box. Scaramouche, number 836. He's from the animated series Samurai Jack, and he's one of the main villains. He's a psychopathic robot that loves to terrorize villagers and murdering them so that he can lure his enemies. He's very straightforward and loyal to Aku. He's one of Aku's assassins, and he aspires to be Aku's favorite assassin. And here he is, out of the box. You can see his autonomous features from his face and his hands. He's wearing his purple trench coat with an orange scarf and light purple boots. He's holding on to his dagger, and he has on a traditional Asian hat. So enjoy Scaramouche out of the box. What do we have here in the fourth one? Yeah, number 547. He's from the animated series Ghost Files Yu Yu Hakusho. I've never seen this series before, but looking at the pop, it looks pretty dope. From the blue dragon that's wrapped around his arm to his dope animation hair. And this pop is to celebrate the 25th anniversary of Funimation. And here's Hiei out of the box. You can see his dragon wrapped around his arm, and it has red eyes. This pop looks dope. That animation hair and the purple dot. I'm not sure what that dot does. If you know, tell me in the comments. And here's the last Chalice Mystery Box. Grail or fail. And it's a Michael Jordan, number 55. He's from the best basketball team in the 90s, the Chicago Bulls. And he's a GOAT. So if you're too young to know who Michael Jordan is, he's one of the best basketball players of all time. So this pop, it would be one of my personal grails because growing up I was a huge Michael Jordan fan. Still am, of course. But I already have this pop. It's cool though because I went out of the box now. And you can see MJ, he's wearing his black jersey from 1997 and 1998. He's wearing his winning basketball sneakers. He's holding a basketball and he's getting ready for a layup. So enjoy the greatest of all time out of the box. Alright YouTube, well that's all the pops I have for you today. If you want to see more mystery box unboxings, make sure you hit the like button. Also, remember to subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified when I upload next. Thank you for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you next Thursday. Oh, hold up, but have you seen last week's video? It's my most epic SDCC-Con haul for YouTube. Check it out if you're into DBZ, My Hero Academia, and more. And from 2 weeks ago, it's a pop ad icons and pop movies. Pops are from SDCC 2020 and more. So check them out if you haven't seen them yet. Peace.